Okay, so this is the trade recap for the 5th of August 2025. So today I took a loss, a little loss. I lost, I believe, $275 on that trade. So I will go over what was my bias, what the issue there today, what I did right, what I did wrong, etc. So to start today, I wanted to see this further gap to continue to be holding price so that we could go up. Why I wanted to go up? Because we have a big imbalance here, plus this hold weak opening gap. So I wanted to see price, if we respected the 1 hour gap, going to the upside. However, see if we inverse this gap, for me, we are going to take all this liquidity and go back to here. And that's what we did. So on pre-market, before pre-market, we manipulate here with this move. We take this buy side liquidity. So this is my standard deviation levels, okay? And during pre-market, we consolidate, we accumulate kind of, and then on markets open, as you can see here, we manipulate under this sell side liquidity. We went also perfectly into the standard deviation level here, the 2.25. And we react based off the 4 hour value gap here. So this was some kind of buy possible trade, I guess. But there were no SMT, if I'm right. Yeah, there wasn't an SMT. Let me see. Yeah, there was no SMT to the upside, so I wanted to see an SMT to enter. That's why I didn't, but you could have possibly enter like here, targeting here with a stop like here. You could have played this trade because we inversed this 1 minute gap here. Okay, we broke structure here with this candle, so we displaced to the upside. So this was quite a trade to take. Maybe you could have taken a bit more risky, but still possible, a long here. Based off the standard deviation level, the sell side liquidity, the 4 hour gaps. This could have been the trade that you could have took. This would have hit one first TP here, and the second TP wouldn't have been taken. But I didn't took that. I waited for the 10 a.m. news, and that's what it is important today, and what I found relevant today. Because 10 a.m. drops, we instantly made an SMT here. So the S&P took this low, whereas NQ didn't. So that was the main SMT for me. So based off this SMT and the respect of this 1 minute bullish fair value gap that we created after the displacement here, I thought that we are going to go to the upside, targeting this buy side liquidity here. Why? Because we haven't touched it, and we made kind of equal high here. So based off this, I wanted to long. However, what I did not understood today is that the manipulation leg already happened here with this. So we were already bearish for the day. We were already bearish. There was still this great buy possible entry here, which I didn't took. If there was like a little SMT like this, I would have taken it, but I didn't. So price ends up coming down on my stop loss. I had some chance of getting TP because we made another SMT here, best of the low of the news, and we react off it. We inverse this little gap here that you can see right here, but that wasn't enough and price reversed on me. So that's okay, it's a little loss. I'm kind of happy with it because it wasn't a bad trade idea, it was great, but there was a lack of confluences. That's what I noted in my trading journal. That, yeah. Oh yeah, and also we already took all this buy side liquidity here. So there was just this one, but this one could not be taken because it was already a manipulation leg. So there was chances that we are not going here and we're going to reverse. That's what happened. But I wasn't thinking of that at the first place. But I guess that's okay. That's how it works. You know, sometimes it doesn't work for you, but that's a little. I'm kind of happy with it. It's not that important. See you guys tomorrow and have a great week.